Hello, sixth graders. This is Mr. Michael. We have just wrapped up our Elements of Plot unit. We just took our Elements of Plot assessment. And if you'd like to do some relearning, you may certainly use this video, which is on the sixth grade ELA website. Um, One big thing that we could do for relearning is learning how to write using textual evidence. Now, everybody has had a unique voice in their writing, but we need to focus more on academic writing. That includes being concise, avoiding slang, being as professional as possible, and that will definitely help improve your scores and make your writing more organized in the future, which is definitely going to help. But in order to write a good quality paragraph, we need a good topic sentence. So I'm going to create a sample paragraph for you to follow at home if you choose to. But our topic sentences, we need to include both the title and the author to make sure that your reader knows what you're talking about. So I'm going to start a simple topic sentence right here, and it's going to be about theme. So I'm going to use Finding Nemo as an example. The theme of Finding Nemo by Pixar is. Notice I put Finding Nemo in quotes because that is the title of the work that we're talking about. And Pixar is the author. I know there's a real director, but for this purpose, we'll just go with Pixar. The theme of Finding Nemo is to never give up. Again, there's more than one theme, but you have to be able to prove it. Now we need to prove it with examples. So I need to show a sequence that includes transition words. I created a small list up here. Feel free to use it if you'd like, but I'm going to put it in a different color first. And notice I put the comma after it. You got to include the punctuation. First, this theme is shown when Nemo keeps trying to escape the fish tank. Okay. Notice I have transitions. This shows that it's my first point, and it says this theme is shown. That gives us our noun phrase. Notice I didn't say first, Nemo keeps trying to escape the fish tank. That's not a complete sentence. Your reader needs to know that you're still talking about the theme. All right. Now I'm going to go into my next point. And again, I need transition words. Every time I have a new point, I need a new transition word. So I'm going to just say simply next, followed by a comma. Next, this theme is, and again, we want to introduce it, make sure we're talking about theme, but I want to find a different word for shown. So I'm just going to put presented. Finding a synonym. When Dory finally remembers something after forgetting things the whole movie. Okay? So that's my second point. This theme is presented when Dory finally remembers something after forgetting things during the whole movie. Okay? Now I want a third textual example. Third text example. Again, I need a transition word. It's going to be my last point out of 3, so why not put the word finally in there? Finally, this theme is shown when Marlin finds Nemo after searching the ocean. Okay? This theme is shown when Marlin, and I'm going to put Marlin Eventually. Okay, that shows that it's really long. We want to expand our vocab as much as possible. Now I need a conclusion sentence. Now we have two transitions here that are really good. Okay, for a conclusion, we've got in conclusion, really simple, and then all in all. Again, those things wrap up your paragraphs, but you want to leave with a final thought. Okay, it can be repeating your topic sentence, but we want to make it, it wants to sound good. So we're going to put in conclusion, again, followed by a comma. In conclusion, the theme of never giving up is very important to the reader when you watch Finding Me. Okay. Never. I'm going to put evident there because it's easy to see. And that's a quality theme paragraph. If you want to challenge yourself, again, you put the page numbers in towards the end of each in parentheses. Okay, one, and then we can put one in here. Our test did not require you to put in page numbers, but in the future, that's something you definitely want to keep in mind. So if you want to do some relearning, feel free to use this video. Feel free to write a couple of paragraphs based off of what your 6th grade ELA teacher would like you to do. But if you need extra help, take a look at this. Hopefully it helps you out. If you have any questions, please let your teacher know. We'd be happy to help you. Thanks and have a good day.